Well, the top political story today has been that war between Team Anna and the government a day after the Prime Minister hit out and said that he would quit public life if the allegations made against him were proved. Arvind Kejriwal of Team Anna insisted that there had to be an independent probe into what they're calling a scam in the allocation of coal blocks. The Prime Minister's office released a statement today saying that none of this was true, that there was a delay in the auction because of some states.
अगर उनमें जरा भी सच हुआ तो मैं अपने I will give up my public career.
प्रधानमंत्री जी, हम आपसे पूछना चाहते हैं कि देश के करोड़ों भूखे लोग बच्चों के अभिभावक होने के नाते आपको नींद कैसे आती है?
The Prime Minister's uncustomary dare, but the confrontation was far from over.
और आज हम 4 प्रश्न आप सब लोगों के जरिए प्रधानमंत्री जी से सीधे पूछना चाहते हैं। नंबर 1, अगर कोई मंत्री भ्रष्टाचार करे तो वो कौन सी एजेंसी है जो सरकार से स्वतंत्र है जहां उस भ्रष्टाचार की एफआईआर दर्ज कराई जा सके? नंबर 2, जिस मंत्री के खिलाफ भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप लगे हैं, यदि वो कहे कि उसने भ्रष्टाचार नहीं किया या फिर प्रधानमंत्री कहे कि उसने भ्रष्टाचार नहीं किया, तो क्या बिना निष्पक्ष जांच के देश इस बात को मान ले? नंबर 3, क्या ये सच है प्रधानमंत्री जी कि तत्कालीन कोयला सेक्रेटरी ने कई बार आपको कोयला खदानों की नीलामी या बिडिंग करने की सलाह दी थी? क्या ये सच है कि पीएमओ ने वो सलाह खारिज कर दी? क्या आपने खुद उन फाइलों पर दस्तखत किए थे? और नंबर 4, सीएजी का आकलन है कि कोयला खदानों की नीलामी न करने से देश को 1,80,000 करोड़ रुपए का नुकसान हुआ था।
Team Anna's partial retreat is also because of the criticism, the remarks invited from team members like Santosh Hegde.
Basically, it was with reference to the word used by Mr. Bhushan against the Prime Minister. I do not appreciate such words being used against whosoever it may be.
Sources in the government say that the Prime Minister was unusually tough, as in the last Parliament session, where politicians from all parties united to build a sense of the House against Team Anna's comments on politicians. The Prime Minister quickly switched from defence to offence, knowing that Team Anna would find little support both from allies as well as opponents. So while Team Anna mounted pressure, the PMO issued point-by-point rebuttal.
While Team Anna charges that the Prime Minister's office delayed coal block auctions, the Prime Minister's office says auction was delayed by the states. Team Anna says Prime Minister abused position to benefit private players. The Prime Minister's office counters that allocation of blocks was never seen as revenue source. Team Anna claims blocks were allocated instead of being auctioned. Prime Minister's office says coal block auction was essential for high growth. In phase 2 of its offensive, government fields its coal minister to present its side of the story.
हकीकत यह है कि भारत सरकार ने इन कोल ब्लॉक्स को अलॉट करके देश की जनता पर पड़ने वाले महंगे पावर के बोझ को कम किया है, इसलिए उसकी जांच करने की कोई गुंजाइश ही नहीं है, न उसकी कोई आवश्यकता है।
Team Anna now faces a tough job. The Lokpal bill, its USP last year, was sent to a parliamentary committee unanimously by all parties, as parties are against allowing Anna any political space. Worse, the team is battling divisions within. Government sources say that by attacking the Prime Minister and the government, the Team Anna is trying to regain support. In Delhi with Anima Biswas and Siddharth Pandey, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.